Here's a USB extension cable that I bought for really cheap, like 10, 15 cents maybe. Yes, it's really long and I want to convert it to a micro USB charging cable. I have this plug harvested from a defective cable. I also marked the negative side. This is the negative side. It only has two contacts, two wires, because this is not a data cable, just for charging. And also, I'll try to recreate the rubber part of the plug by using hot glue in a shape like this, and hopefully I'll be able to take this piece of plastic down after it's done. But if it remains stuck, it's not a problem, I guess. So let's get started. Okay, I leave a little cable here in case I want to use this end for something else. So I just cut it here, and hopefully the wires are red and black for the negative and positive, and I don't have to pull out my multimeter to see which wire goes where. Let's strip it. Yes. Oh, this is interesting. It has shielding. I didn't expect it for 15 cents. That's just funny. Oh, maybe 20 cents. Yeah, closer to 20. Okay, so the white and green are usually the data cables, and the red and black are for power. I guess I can check it if I put it into a USB port, and I'll measure the two wires just to make sure. The red and black. Okay. They don't strip easy. Ah, it will melt away when soldered. Haha, the joke's on them. So let's see the multimeter. 20 volts, DC. Yes. Okay. Tilt it a little. And it turned off. Perfect. Just as I wanted it. Yeah. Now it's visible. Let's put it into a USB port. Like so. Yes. And now let's see. Oh. Come back here. The red and the black. It's 5 volts. Okay. And it's negative, so if I put the negative to the positive, then it shows up on the screen like that. Okay. Good, smart multimeter. Now let's get back to soldering. So these are the wires, and I'll cut off the other two. Should I cut them off? the I don't know. Maybe it will be useful for the hot glue to grab onto. I'd rather cut off anything unnecessary. Let's see. This is only a first try, so lot more cables. Where this came from? I bought like 10 for this price. Okay. Solder. I have the gun, but no solder. That's interesting. I thought I prepared everything. And I can't do it without solder. Oh boy. Ah, I got it. Okay. Some solder. Okay. Of course, I pulled out the cable out of the USB port. So no voltage goes through it when I solder. It could cause some problems. Not necessarily, because the soldering iron has usually a separated circuit. It doesn't share a ground or anything with the outlet, shall I say, which could lead to the computer, and then 100 volts go into the USB port maybe. But just to be safe, it's always a good idea to pull out the plug whenever you're working on electronics. Oh boy, this solder is dead. I need fresh. Yep. Much better. Okay. Yes. Focus. Focus. You don't want to focus. Yeah. They are soldered. So let's take off these two pieces of wire. Okay. And now the negative goes on the marked side. Yes. This here. Carefully, not to melt anything. Yes. The other one, bend it so it will reach perfectly. Bend the other one. Yes. And heat. Okay. That was simple. So now let's see what we can do about the rubber part or silicone part. How I can make that happen. Yeah, it should be okay, like that. So I have to heat up the glue gun. Where's the gun? Oh boy, I can't seem to find anything today. What did I do? Where's the stupid gun? Well, I see the plug. Okay. Finally, it's here. So let's heat it up. It takes probably like 1 minute, maybe. This is a really weak one. It's only 7 watts. It consumes 10, but it only heats up with 7. I don't know why. That's just how it is. I have a power meter. It right now says 10 watts. So I guess that's what they mean. By the way, this gun also cost me like $2. It was $2. So you can't expect too much from it. It's heating up. So let's make the shape. Hey, okay. So, how it will be best? Get out of here. Everything is falling down. Perfect. So, I think I'll do something like this. Let's bring the camera closer, maybe like that, to show you my method here. Oh, the glue is almost ready. Yeah. So let's see how much the plug should stick out of the rubber. Here's a standard plug. It sticks out. Focus. Yeah, it can come over like a millimeter beyond the black plastic